Hello friends! As we cross the age of 50, many changes start happening in our body. Fatigue, weakness, joint pain, and slow metabolism, all these become common things. Are you also going through these problems? Do you want to get your energy and health back? If yes, then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 such juices that will boost your health and keep you fresh throughout the day. What are these drinks? And why should they become a part of your daily routine? Friends, this video is going to give a new direction to your health, so enjoy it till the end without skipping. Now I'm going to tell you those 5 juices in which the 3rd and 5th are my favorites. So friends, number 1 is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice, that is the red-colored nectar that makes you feel young again after the age of 50. The polyphenols hidden in it are super antioxidants for you. Now imagine starting the morning with a glass of pomegranate juice and you are making your day absolutely fresh and energetic. This keeps your blood pressure under control and removes all traces of bad cholesterol. This juice is best for heart health. Not just the heart, it is also a boon for your brain. To improve memory, drink a glass of pomegranate juice every day and see how your memory battery always remains fully charged. Pomegranate juice is the enemy of your pain, reduces inflammation, and also gives relief in arthritis. Definitely include it in your daily routine. Number 2 is ginger juice. Ginger juice, the spicy superhero of your health. After the age of 50, definitely include it in your daily routine. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which boost your immunity and protect you from cold and cough. A glass of ginger juice in the morning improves your digestive system and relieves the problem of indigestion. Consuming it also provides relief from joint pain and swelling. Ginger juice also helps in weight loss by accelerating your metabolism. Give a spicy twist to your health and drink ginger juice. At number 3 is beetroot juice, which is my favorite. It contains plenty of iron and folic acid, which are very beneficial for your blood health. This juice helps in increasing hemoglobin and controls blood pressure, which helps in getting rid of problems like anemia. If you have to take care of heart health, then beetroot juice is best for you because the nitrates present in it widen the arteries and improve blood flow. Beetroot juice is no less than a boon for the digestive system as well. It contains a good amount of fiber, which improves digestion and relieves problems like constipation. This juice is full of antioxidants, which slows down the aging process by protecting your body from free radicals. Also, it brightens your skin, making you always look fresh. The 4th drink is green tea, friends. Green tea is a natural drink, which contains various nutrients that are extremely beneficial for our physical and mental health. The antioxidants contained in it protect our body from free radicals, which help fight against cancer and other diseases. Its consumption also helps in weight loss, as it speeds up metabolism and increases calorie burning. Apart from this, consumption of green tea is also beneficial for heart health, as it helps in lowering blood pressure and also reduces bad cholesterol. Additionally, it also improves brain health, which increases mental alertness and improves mood. If you also want to improve your skin, then green tea can be a good option for you, as it contains special elements that help keep the skin young and healthy. So friends, our 5th and last drink is buttermilk, which is also my favorite. There is no better drink than buttermilk to quench thirst and keep the body cool in the summer season. This delicious and nutritious drink made from curd not only keeps you refreshed, but also provides many health benefits. The probiotics present in buttermilk strengthen the digestive system and provide relief from problems like constipation, indigestion, and flatulence. The vitamins and minerals present in it strengthen the immunity and help fight colds and other infections. Friends, buttermilk is low in calories and high in protein, which makes you feel full for a long time and helps in weight loss. The potassium present in it helps in controlling blood pressure. It is also low in fat and helps in increasing good cholesterol, HDL, which is good for heart health. It also helps in keeping the body cool and protects you from dehydration. And the antioxidants present in it protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and make the skin healthy and glowing. So these were the 5 drinks by drinking which you can maintain your health after the age of 50. And yes, 50 is just a number. Take care of yourself and see you again. Goodbye.